everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make delicious French toast. These French toasts are my son's favorite breakfast. We're gonna start off by using 5 eggs. I'm gonna beat them until the yolks and the egg whites are completely mixed. Just like that. Then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 cup of milk, and sprinkle some cinnamon. And then we beat again. I'm gonna be using sliced brioche bread. I set up the pan on low-medium heat and I'm gonna add some butter. Next, we dip the bread into the mixture and we add them to the pan. We're gonna let them cook for about 1 minute on each side. Okay, we're gonna flip them and let them cook for another minute on that side. As you can see, they're ready, and now we're gonna transfer them to the plate. And now we do the same for the rest of the bread. I'm gonna slice the bread. Then we're gonna garnish with some berries, strawberries, some blackberries. We're also gonna add some whipped cream. And last, some maple syrup. And there you have it, delicious French toast. Perfect fast breakfast. Okay guys, my favorite part.
Déjale a tus hijos.
So good. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, subscribe. And if you have any recipes that you guys want to see, leave it down in the comments and I'll be sure to be reading them. I'll see you next time. Bye.